What's up, y'all? This is your boy Preston, and today we're going to do another mod on a vehicle. We're going to do something simple. This is just going to be our tar sticker mod today. It's a very simple mod that gives your car a nice aesthetic look as far as customizing your tire to have whatever on it that you would like to have on it. So let's get this mod started today so you guys can see exactly what's going on, and this is what I'm going to do. So as you see, the 315 is on the car. And the only issue I have is that when I start doing donuts, it's just going to burn the tires up real fast. And I won't be able to transfer tire stickers. I'll have to purchase new ones. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna run our tire sticker around the tire here, and it's gonna be customized to whatever I want it to say. So without further waiting or further ado on this mod, let's get this mod started so I can show you guys what I'm talking about as far as this tire sticker. Alright, so you guys saw me trying to put the tire sticker on. The kit that TireSticker.com sends you, at least for me, didn't work. I don't think it's a really good kit as far as the stickers going on, because I did everything the directions said. I cleaned the tire. You guys saw me wiping it down. I wiped it over 10 times like you say in the instructions, so no more black came off. I didn't put the sticker on, heated it up just like the instructions said, and where it was warm to touch, and I didn't try to peel it off, and my stickers did not peel off on it. So if they send a kit and say this is all you need for it, then technically that's all you should need for the kit. I even went and tried to get Gorilla Glue and try to put it on with Gorilla Glue, and it still didn't stick. So I'll try another brand and see if there's another brand that's better out there, because there are a lot of tire sticker brands when I was doing research, and I think maybe I just, got a bad batch or something, or I'm not sure. But you saw it's not gonna work following the instructions that's provided. And hey, maybe it was just my tire. Let's chop it up and say something crazy like that. But maybe it is my tire. If you guys have got one to stick with TireSticker.com, let me know. If there's something else that I need to do, if there's another step, let me know. If not, then I don't really recommend the TireSticker.com application, because it didn't stick when I tried. So following the instructions and everything that it told me I would need, acetone and a rag, and I used both, clean my tire just like it said, and it did not work. So thank you guys. And Tire Sticker, if you guys are seeing this, tell me what I did wrong, help me out, maybe send me a replacement for the exotic words that I use. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.